Ugh. So I don't like to brag okay, I do like to brag when I do something like this. All right, so here's the deal. Icon, the newest EDP fragrance from Pete and Pedro, has officially dropped. Now, the inspiration fragrance for this, actually, I'm going to save that. I'm going to tell you the story. So as you know, we love fragrance at Pete and Pedro. And so what I try to do is find ones that are like home runs, amazing, like best in class. And so a few months ago, I actually went into Neiman Marcus, right? Neiman Marcus is all the like super luxe premium designer brands, right? All the like super crazy expensive ones that most dudes just can't afford. So I was in there, right? And I'm smelling all these fragrances that I've heard of, I've looked up, and I'm running up to people, right? Women, dudes, like whoever. I'd be like, hey, do you like this? Or do you like this? Do you like this? Or do you like this, right? I was in there for about 3 hours when I found the perfect fragrance, the fragrance that everybody agreed was amazing. And so I sprayed some on, right? And the real test, go home and ask my wife. So I walk in the door, she comes up to give me a hug, and she goes, oh my God, what are you wearing? It is amazing. Boom! That's when I knew we had our new inspiration fragrance, which is none other than Creed's Millesime Imperial, one of the freshest, lightest, sexiest fragrances on the market, period. I am so incredibly excited for you to check out Icon. This fragrance is for you guys out there that love smelling incredible. Not just like average good, I'm talking incredible. If you're ready for a ton of compliments, if you're ready for women, dudes, whoever to be like, oh my God, what are you wearing? It smells so sexy and amazing. You have to try Icon. It is not a copy or a clone, but it is heavily, heavily, heavily inspired by Creed's Millesime Imperial, one of the freshest, lightest, most perfect fragrances out there. Perfect. The reason why I think Icon is the perfect fragrance is that you can wear it to the office, you can wear it on a date, you can wear it to a wedding, you can wear it over to grandma's, no problem, it works. You can also wear it any season. Because it's one of the lighter, fresher fragrances, you can wear it year round. Gentlemen, if you're ready to smell amazing, get tons of compliments, check out Icon today.